So here's the old Dodge D250, 93. Front bumper's gone because we did a body lift, therefore the bumpers was lowered almost a couple inches, if you know what I'm saying. You know, so originally the body was sitting closer down to here, but we raised it up. I guess you can see the spacers there. So probably gonna re-drill some holes so the bumper sits like it should. I got some nice motor wheels on it. You can see she's pretty straight. Extended cab, long bed. Got a 4-inch diamond die turbo back exhaust system. You can see right there. I do a 5-inch MBRP tip. The back bumper is off too because we were rear-ended and we just got a new bumper, and so we took the old one off, unhooked everything, went to put the new one on, and it doesn't fit even close. So we're gonna have to, we got these little bad boys sanded up and painted real nice, but we have to do a bunch of fabric to get that other bumper to fit. Might be hard to see in here because of the sun, but pretty clean. 174,000 miles. Power windows, power locks. It actually did have power mirrors, or it does, but I think the little plastic piece in there is broken because they just click back and forth. So there's the back of it. Got your little fold down seats there. I'll crank her up for you guys. Sure runs about as good as it's gonna get. So. Matter of fact, I'll set the camera back here so I can get a little bit better sound. Now, one thing that you may have noticed is that it is idling a little bit low. It's not so bad once it gets warmed up, but I'm just trying to get that adjusted because we turned the fuel up as far as we could in the injection pump and it just started idling too high, so we turned one of the fuel pins down so the idle will go back down. The idle's adjusted as far down as it'll go. But here she is. I'll pop the hood.